Alright guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to completely remove or disable the YouTube app from your phone. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Now there are a few reasons you might want to remove YouTube. Maybe you've been spending too much time on it and it's become a distraction, or you just want to take a break from watching videos altogether. Whatever the reason, I'll show you how to disable it quickly and easily. First, find the YouTube app on your phone's home screen. Tap and hold the app until you see a small menu pop up. From here, look for the small eye icon or an option that says App Info and tap it. This will open the app's information page. Once you're on the App Info page, scroll down until you see the Disable option. Go ahead and tap Disable, then confirm your choice when it asks if you're sure. After that, YouTube will be disabled and removed from your home screen and app drawer. Don't worry, you can always re-enable it later by going back into the same App Info settings and tapping Enable. And that's it! Your YouTube app is now disabled and you've successfully removed that distraction from your phone. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little digital detox too.